So, update on the garage giveaway winner. Remember, there were two winners. One was the garage giveaway, and then the second person was someone who won an entire detailing package. Now, Tim, the winner from California, of course he had to be in California to send all this crap across the country. He already has a Kranzle pressure washing solution, otherwise he would have gotten one of those. We picked a few other things out. We worked with Chris and Kyle to come up with a list. But the first place winner, Taylor is going to, he just bought a property. He's going to be building a building. It's going to be a year or so from now before we build it, but he chose to take the garage rather than the 30 grand in cash. It's just going to be a little delayed gratification for you and I on getting the garage done. But for today, I thought I'd go around and show you what a full detailing package looks like. It's a lot of freaking stuff. So Ted, my dad, everybody, we're gonna pull together all these packages and line it up on the table and bring you along and show you what all this stuff is. So, who wants to do car washing package? What? Okay. Wheel cleaning or wheel and tire package. Engine package. I need the darn list. Oh, engine package. I don't know any of this crap anymore. Yeah. Engine bay package. And then polishing package. I need a sheet. Where's our sheets?
Do you want 32 ounce or gallon?
I want gallon package. Full gallon package. Decon package. I know that one. We'll do this. My own packages that I create, I don't even know how to freaking pull them anymore, Ted. I knew for a little while from Christmas and Black Friday a couple of years ago, but yeah. I made this, Ted. There's only so much room in my brain. You saw what I was doing over there with all that Milwaukee stuff. Decon package we'll put here. Let's see, let's keep it going here. So these are all the packages we got to put together. Ferrex. And so Chris and Kyle worked with them to figure out, what he wanted of the ultimate solution. So the concept here is to create a master collection around this, and so we're working on revamping the pressure washing packages, the detailing packages, and we're creating a hierarchy of, I think it's called master collection. Then we have solutions, which is what these technically would be, a solution. And then we have, from solution goes down to packages, and then kits, and then individual items. So we're working on a hierarchy and creating a system around that so that people will know how to buy stuff better. We're going to do pads. Let's see. So I need 2 bottles of Glide. I need some, let's see, nanoskin 32 ounce bottle and sprayer. Where is that? Is that around the other side? Let me get that. Where's the nanoskin sprayer?
Should be right in front of you.
Got it. Yep. Yeah, complete microfiber package with the big drying towels too. Yeah. Yes, we want the whole thing. Okay. They're gonna have this done in 2 minutes, so I'm gonna be on my first package. But I have to think of what I'm going to say on camera. But how cool is this, man? We're getting closer and closer to having the end-to-end solution. I was actually talking to a garage door manufacturer today, a roll-up called T-Max, that I'd found it a while back, but a follower emailed and said, hey, I have this, I have the doors and they're pretty nice. So I'm talking to the owner of the company about doing that. So we need that, we need a clay bar, and we need fine it. Boom, boom. And then Tarex. And a Tarex sprayer. Yep. We need a bucket package. Okay, we got that one done. Decon soap, Ferrex, 2 nanoskin glides, a sprayer, sponges, hand strap, clay bar, and Tarex. Good. This one's done. Okay, where are we putting the duns? Right here? Duns. Oh, I'll do the lighting package. I can do this one. Although I do have to go up in the attic for this, don't I? I don't want to do that. High match 2, so we need a headlamp. that. Match pen R. Match pen R. Sun Match 3. All of those. Shoot, we're running low on this stuff. Phoenix PD35, which is right here. And the charging kit. And 2 batteries, which is right here. I think there's 2 in a box. 2 batteries. That's cool. So, you know, the concept here when creating these different solutions was to make it so that people could buy what I use. We do have a lot of extra stuff that I use sometimes, but everything on these shelves is stuff that I use regularly in detailing. Okay, and then we need our add-ons, which are Limelight R and C+R and C+R bonnets. So we need our line lights. Oh, I forgot my multi-match R. Need that. And then we need the big one, the C+R, which is the under cabinet. That, and then I need the big one. Dang it, I shouldn't have grabbed this list. Can you get me a C+R, the big light in box? I like that. Convince him to do it. It's Justin to do it. All right, so that's done. So we want to no towels in the polishing package because they're in the Ultimate. So none of the towels in any of the packages. Okay. So CSL EXO. Let me scratch off my list here. I'll do that at the end, I guess. So I'll do CSL EXO, 3 foam blocks, 5-pack microsuede applicator. So we need that. 3 of these. And then CSL EXO right there. Six Adams Hex Grip wax pads. Waxes are red. 2, 6 of these. So we customized. We have a used pad in here. That's weird. Adams used one for us.
No,
Tested it out.
Out of the box like that.
They tested it out for us. That's what I mean. I know we didn't use it, but Adams must have. There's those. I'll cross these off the list here. So I know I put the lighting package. We need a bucket package. Do we have a bucket package made?
Yep. Different boxes a little bit.
See what? Yeah. Oh, yeah. You can put it together however we need to. So we have. Let's see. We got this Stoner's package. Is that what this is here?
That's the interior.
Yeah. He doesn't need an interior package. He just needs a couple of items. So we just need Bliss, Eden, Vision. Vision, Eden. Do we not have Bliss?
We're out of Bliss.
Okay. And then we need, what's the Stoner's package? This stuff?
I would assume that's the interior package.
Yeah.
So it comes with that.
I think he already has the interior stuff. We'll just give him the interior stuff anyway. I'm in a charitable mood here.
You want is he doing a piping package?
He needs Sonex upholstery. Huh?
A piping package?
No pressure washer. He already has the custom install. This. Boom. We need M101 and M39. Eh? Where's M101? Give him 2 Edens then, since You got the wheel cleaning package. You got car wash package. You got engine bay package. You got polishing package. You got the nano package. He needs a nano. So we need a nano. The actual nano. We need one of those.
Do you want the gallon import for the microfiber?
Yes. So microfiber package, bucket package. We need an ultimate bucket filler solution. 101.
At 24 inch?
Yes. The Colonite and Power Lock. This is fun. It's like shopping. Colonite and Power Lock. I can do that one. That's an easy one. Okay. We need.
There's your ultimate filler, bucket filler.
Yeah, the whole thing. So all the quick and I need the nozzle.
What color?
Black. And then we got the nano down. Yep. Nano. Okay. 25 and 50 foot Pro Lock extension cords. I can get those. I think probably black. Breaking OSHA rules. These things are sick. If you don't have these, you need to get them. Blue ones are cool, but the black ones are awesome. Got these two. I think that's it. That was too easy.
4 t-shirts.
Oh yeah, I gotta figure out the size.
Size to be determined.
Let me go ask Chris. Do you know what size t-shirts?
I do not.
Okay. All right. And he only wanted one polisher? He has the other ones already?
Well, the polishing package
Would have the,
have the
okay. Got it. 15 and the 3-inch. So yeah, LHR 15. And the 3-inch flex. Do we have any of those? No, we don't have any. Oh, here's his XFE7 right here. Boom. Yeah, that's the one he wants.
Which microfiber package did you do?
I did the full. So next garage giveaway, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this Civic giveaway goes, and we might do one later this year. I don't know. I like doing these. I want to be able to do the garage, but that's what the detailing package looks like. So we're very soon. I know I've been saying this forever, but we do want to have a one-click solution where you can buy the entire Matty Master Collection and get everything in one shot. But it's about 10 grand with stuff. So anyway, thanks for your support. Next giveaway coming. And go enter to win the Civic. That one's going to be pretty sick. So after that, next one we'll probably do another garage. But yeah, this was a successful one. It's always a lot of fun pulling things off the shelf. See you soon.